If this winter drained your soul, you deserve this. Introducing Joe's DTF Burner Summer Gang Sheet. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like.
We're talking full color, summer ready, I'm outside and not coming back inside type designs. Full fronts, left chest, full backs, basically everything you need to turn blank apparel into straight summer heat.
Because after that winter, we're not easing into summer. We're going full send.
This is a full 22 by 60 inch gang sheet, which means you've got options. You want to press 10 shirts? Cool. Want to mix and match designs? Do it. Want to press something completely chaotic? I encourage it.
And the best part? This whole gang sheet is only $16.99. I know. That's less than that one meal you ordered off of DoorDash.
Press, peel, boom, summer ready.
This is for people that are done with hoodies, done with gray skies, and actually want to make something fun again. Go grab your Burner Summer Gang Sheet at joesdtf.com before everyone starts acting like they came up with it first.